there's only 2 minutes left until New Year in Australia. It's about to be 2026. I just made a group with me and one of my friends called William and Mook on Discord. So like, yeah, this is like enjoy New Year. So yeah, yeah. So I just made this beat. Enjoy New Year's here. Let's enjoy New Year here. Bet. We? That's it, bro. What do you say? And yeah, guys. Yo, there's 1 minute. 1 minute. Get ready. Get ready. Wait. 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 Guys, thank you, all of you guys, for reaching me about like 1,000 subscribers in this year. Let's try reaching 2,000 next year. How about that? So yeah, that's our new goal. Yeah, it's about to be 2026. So my birthday is gonna come up on January 24th. Yup, there we go. It is 1st of January 2024. Boom. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all of you guys. W, W, W. My birthday Yo, thank you all of you guys and like Happy New Year. Last time I made this video, it was like the beginning of 2025. Now it's the beginning of 2026. Mook is typing something. Never mind. Hold on, let me just check what he sent to me. Sometimes it's like gay stuff. Don't ask why. So yeah. Okay, he didn't send me anything. It was just this. So yeah, happy New Year to everyone that live in Australia, and like I love you guys. Not in a gay way, in like a friendly way. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Happy New Year. If last year wasn't good, have a better year today. I mean, this year. So yeah, that's it for the video.